Hi, welcome back to Good Life with God, and today I'll be sharing with you one of the recipe from my Korean eCookbook, Jjajangmyeon. This is one of the most popular K-drama food that you need to try today. So let's get started. Korean jjajangmyeon is usually made with pork belly, but in this vegan version we're using king oyster mushroom instead. For the vegetable, we will use the staple vegetables in making Korean jjajangmyeon. So first dice your zucchini, and then peel your potato, and dice them into similar size with the zucchini. Don't cut them too small because we want to keep the crunch and the texture. So this size that I show in the video is the best. Then you also want to dice your white onion. King oyster mushroom has a great meaty texture. It also absorbs flavor really well, so that's why I feel like this is a great replacement for pork belly. And then you want to slice your shallot thinly to make shallot oil. And so one of the most important ingredients in making jjajangmyeon is chunjang, which is the black bean sauce. We want to get that ready by the side, and this is one of the vegan friendly brand that I found on the market. Now start cooking. We will add the shallot in cold oil and cook it over low heat until they started getting brown and crispy. This will make a good substitution to pork belly fat, giving your jjajangmyeon a great aroma and flavor. Now we want to remove the shallot. We'll be only using the oil in this recipe. You can use the shallot for other things. Now add some of the oil into the pan and add your king oyster mushroom. Saute until they all get brown and really fragrant. Then add in a potato because this is the hardest vegetable. So we want to give it, we're going to stir fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in a zucchini and also the white onion. Continue to saute for another 2 minutes. And then we'll add the remaining of our shallot oil to really fry our black bean sauce until it's aromatic and really bring out the flavor of it. That's why it's called jjajangmyeon. Jjajang literally means fried sauce. So you need to fry the sauce. This black bean sauce is actually slightly bitter and has an earthy flavor. So you have to make sure that you really fried it and bring out the flavor of it. If not, you will turn out to have a very bland, bitter tasting jjajangmyeon. Now to this, we're going to add in our liquid. You can add water or you can add vegetable stock. I have a vegan anchovy stock recipe in my eCookbook. Go check that out and bring it to simmering. Now we want to cover and let everything cook for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the cornstarch solution. It has a little bit of water, cornstarch, and sweetener. Then we want to slice some cucumber for the topping. Cut them into thin strips, cut passionately, like that. So everything has been cooked for about 10 minutes and everything has, come together, absorb the flavors, and it's just so nice. We're going to season it with some vegan oyster sauce. And also I add in a bit of vegan fish sauce. The recipe is also in my cookbook. Add in a cornstarch solution and stir until it gets thickened up, really nice and shiny. Now don't overdo this part because the sauce will get even more thick when it cools down. So this consistency is just perfect. So now we'll prepare the noodle. This is Jjajangmyeon, which is a noodles specially made for Korean Chinese cuisine like jjajangmyeon and jjampong. So just follow the instructions on the package and cook until it is soft and chewy. I usually drain it and rinse it until cold running water to give it that chewy texture. And now you can start to assemble your bowl. Because you're making it at home, you can put as much sauce as you want. I like mine really saucy, and this is looking so good right now. Okay, you can top it with some fresh spring onion or cucumber, sesame seeds. And don't forget a little bit of sesame oil to enhance the flavor, to give it that nutty, toasted, nutty flavor. Some chili flakes for the color, and we're ready to go. Oh, I also like to serve along with some pickled radish at the side there, if you notice that. And yeah, it's ready. I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. And if you want to get my cookbook, the link is in the description box. Go click that and grab it now. The book has a total of 23 Korean recipes that are all made vegan. plant-based without mock meat, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you want to know more, just click the link and take a look at it. Do leave a comment if you have any vegan recipe requests. Yeah, oh, and remember the cucumber I chopped earlier? I use it in this clips actually. I don't have jjajangmyeon noodle at that time, so I'm using some flat whole wheat noodles. If you don't have that jjajangmyeon, you can also serve this sauce on ramen, on rice, or any kind of noodle that you have. It will still taste really good. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again very soon. Bye!